I'm Catherine Carson and I have over 20 years experience in medical aesthetics. The clinic is located in Hampton Hill, just a mile away from Hampton Court Palace. We've chosen the Mews particularly because it's a very discreet enclave. The types of treatments and procedures that we perform here have all got to do with medical aesthetics. So those would be the dermal fillers for lines and wrinkles, anti-wrinkle injections to freeze maybe brows or to take away the frown lines from in between the eyebrows. We also do a lot of laser work, and that would be for pigmentation on the hands, sunspots, age spots on the face. We do laser hair removal and skin tightening procedures using infrared and pearl fractional, which is very similar to fractional. This clinic is dedicated to medical aesthetics. That's all we do here. We take medical aesthetics very seriously. It's important that the clients are put at their ease. I'm a conservative practitioner. I think that's very important because people come in with pre-existing ideas of what they think they're going to look like. So what we've got to do is take a long time with the consultation process, make sure the patient feels that they're understood. We discuss the procedure with them so that they're not worried or stressed. They know what to expect as an outcome and know how to look after their skin after the treatment's been performed. One of the best things about treating people is that you can take away the problem, that their perceived problem about themselves. So say for instance if it's a treatment for pigmentation on the hands, we get pretty high success rate of 80+%, that's pretty much standard. But that makes a very happy patient. That can actually be life transforming for them. For us, successful outcomes are ones that look fresh, subtle and natural, and that actually can feed back into the two-stage process. So that if somebody comes to have a treatment, we won't necessarily do the complete treatment that day, but bring them back to possibly amplify the effects that we can, maybe on the second visit. It's surprising that whenever somebody visits us for the first time, just how nervous somebody can be. So whenever we see a client coming in, they may even have difficulty expressing how they feel about themselves, so it can take a little bit of time. Nervous patients need a little bit of extra time so that they feel supported and understood. So we take time with them to make sure, just so that they can talk and how they feel about themselves. And hopefully from that then we can develop, slowly, we can develop a treatment plan that suits them. People should visit Ageless Clinics because it's IHAS registered and we have a wealth of experience dedicated to aesthetic medicine. We do our level best to try to understand what patients want and cater for their needs.